welcome back to my channel. Happy October, or as I like to call it, happy Hocus Pocus season. Yes. So for those of you who are new here, I'm Kayla, blogger at kaylaschaos.com. Check that out if you haven't already. And yes, so for today's video, I am so excited to be doing some last minute Halloween costumes. I'm sure you guys are probably a little sick of these on YouTube, but I've never done one before, so I'm excited about it. Hopefully I give you some inspiration or ideas that are for my lazy girls out there, because let me tell you, these are so easy. And I am not a makeup guru, so if I can pull these off, you can pull these off. So yeah, I have 3 easy and inexpensive costumes / makeup looks for you guys, and yeah, let's just get right into it.
For my first look, I'll be doing a witch. I'm already moisturized and primed, so I'm going to start by applying my foundation with a damp beauty blender. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Foundation in shade 85. Next, I'm going to apply some Tarte Creaseless Concealer. Then the fun part. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Vice eyeshadow palette for more of a dark and edgy eye look. I'm starting off with an emerald green color and applying it to the crease. Now I'm going to take a shimmery black and apply that to the lid. It's a little messy right now, but I'm going to go in with a light neutral color and blend it all out, since we're going for more of like a smoky eye look. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. Now I'm going to add some mascara. I'm using L'Oreal's Voluminous Feline Noir. My eyebrows are pretty low maintenance for the most part. I'm just going to add some tinted brow gel like I usually do. This is called Queen of the Fill, and I've been using it for a while. Now I'm going to add some bronzy highlighter. This is the Marc Jacobs Omega Glaze All Over Foil Luminizer. Oh, that's a mouthful. I am newly obsessed with this. It gives like a nice natural bronzy look and has a little bit of shimmer to it. And lastly is the lips. To coordinate with the green eye witchy aesthetic, I'm using a green Kat Von D lipstick called Plan 9. And as pretty as that emerald green color is, I want it to be a little darker and witchier, so I'm adding a touch of the Katy Kat matte black lipstick on top. And that completes the makeup look. For the hair, I want it to be pretty wild, so I'm going to slightly tease it out with a comb, and there's going to be a hat on top anyway, so not too concerned about how the hair looks. For the costume, the main thing I got was this obnoxious witch hat from Amazon. It's so fun and extra. It's actually flexible, so you can like bend it however you want it to look with your costume. And the corset dress is from Forever 21, and I paired it with this creepy Halloween choker and some fishnet stockings. And that's the complete witch look. The next look, I'm going to be doing a mermaid. I already have my foundation on, so I'm going to jump right in with the eyes. I decided to use my Nickelodeon eyeshadow palette from Hot Topic, which is kind of a random choice, but I thought it would be good because it's really, really pigmented. I'm starting with a bright blue shade and applying that to the lid. Once again, it's going to look a little messy, but I promise it will all come together. Next, I'm going in with a bright purple and applying it to my waterline and inner corner. Then I decided to just wing it out and make it more dramatic. Now I'm taking a pink and using that above the crease. Lastly, for the eyes, I'm using a shimmery white to blend it all out. This next step is where the look really comes together. To make the scales, you'll need to place a pair of fishnet stockings over your head. After the stocking is in place, which isn't as easy as it looks, I added some eyeshadow primer by W7 Cosmetics to make sure the shadow would stay in place. Now I'm going in with the same colors I used on my eyes and dabbing them on in different sections of my face. To add a little more drama, I went back in with a green iridescent loose glitter by a brand called Chaos Makeup. It's seriously so pretty. I added it to my face for more of a scaly effect, and then I later added some to like the center of my eyelid as well. Now I'm going to add my W7 Cosmetics Big Lash Mascara and touch up my eyebrows with the tinted brow gel. The next step was a little risky. I last minute decided to apply the W7 Beam Me Up Illuminator for a shiny wet look. I added some to my face and blended it out around the scales. Luckily, it all worked out pretty well. And I have the perfect new lipstick for this mermaid look. I'm using Rihanna's new Fenty Beauty metallic lipstick in the shade No Chill. It's like the perfect silvery blue. For my hair, I also wanted something a little messy and natural because mermaid hair don't care. So I took two side pieces and braided them. Then I pulled them behind and tied them off for kind of a headband effect. For For the outfit, I ordered this shell boob shirt from Amazon. I paired it with a simple black skater skirt and some cute shell earrings. Now I'm officially casual mermaid ready. For my last look, I'm going to transform into Audrey Hepburn from one of my favorite old school movies, Breakfast at Tiffany's. Again, I already have my base done, so I'm going to start with the eyes. This time I'm using the W7 Dusk Till Dawn eyeshadow palette. The first shade is a light pink, which I'm applying on the lid. Now I'm going in with a creamy beige color and applying that to the upper brow bone. Now I'm just going to go back over it with a slightly darker nude shade to add a little bit of depth. For the eyeliner, I'm using the W7 Cosmetics black eyeliner pen. I added a little bit of a baby wing. This mascara is one of my favorites. It's Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes. Now I'm adding a bit of a bronzy highlight with the W7 Glow Commotion. This is similar to the Marc Jacobs one, except obviously it's a little bit lower price point, so it's a little bit less blinding, but that's okay because we're going for more of a neutral, natural look. For the lips, I'm using a Tarte lip paint in the shade Exposed. It's a very good light nude color. I'm going to go over that with some Fenty Gloss Bomb to add a little bit of shimmer. That's all for the makeup. And for the hair, it's actually a lot simpler than you would think. First, I securely place a tiara on my head. I'm brushing the sides up to cover the comb sides of the tiara. And then I'm basically just doing a messy bun on top and keeping it all together with a hair tie. For the outfit, I'm wearing a plain black dress that I got from H&M, I believe. The tiara is actually from high school when I was on homecoming court, so I didn't even purchase that. And then the gloves, pearl necklace, and cigar holder were part of a flapper kit on Amazon that I wore for a party in the past. Then I just added some large sunglasses and a little bit more silver jewelry, and now I'm all ready for breakfast at Tiffany's.
Well, that's all I have for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed these looks, and I hope that, they might give you some ideas that maybe you weren't thinking of already. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. That would be amazing. And leave me a comment down below of what you're going to be for Halloween this year. And yeah, follow me on social media. I'll leave all those links down below. And thanks you guys so much for checking this out and being on this fun journey with me. I hope y'all have a super happy Halloween and eat lots of candy. And yeah, it'll be great. I can't wait to see all the costumes online. So yeah, thanks for everything, guys. Peace out, homies.